Hello. So today we're going to be talking about the 1883 eruption of Krakatoa. So when and where did this happen? When it happened on August 27th in 1883, where the Krakatoa Islands on the Sudan Strait between Java and Sumatra on the Indonesian island arc. So why did this happen? Why did this massive eruption, one of the biggest eruptions ever recorded, just happen? So the Indo-Australian plate was subducted under the mainland of Asia plate called the continental plate of Sumatra. Rocks and other materials were pushed up as the plate was subducted underneath it, and this drove the magma upwards into form the volcano, as we saw back in 1883. So the human impact. What happened to the local residents of Krakatoa and the surrounding Sumatran islands? More than 36,000 people died due to the actual eruption, and 165 coastal villages were destroyed. Now we have a video here of the eruption itself, not the eruption itself, but what it would look like on a computer-generated model. So that would be the shock wave and the tsunami and the island getting destroyed. And there's the actual pyrotechnic blast, the ash and soot, and then the actual tsunami itself. Pyroclastic column. That's what it is. That's enough of the video for right now. So then what happened to the environment? Ash and debris were shot up into the atmosphere, and it caused global temperatures to be lowered for the next 5 years, and it even affected the rain, like the global rain, and LA received less rain than they had in previous years due to the eruption. 70% of the island itself was destroyed, leaving the island as we see today in the three triangle-shaped ones, and then in this gray area where was the original one. The explosion caused a tsunami that was 46 meters high, and it reached upwards of 46 kilometers away, which is very, very far. Some fun facts, and what did we learn from this whole thing? People learned that the importance of monitoring volcanic hotspots like the Ring of Fire, where Krakatoa was, around Indonesia, and this boosted scientific monitoring of this area. This really bad eruption happened, and scientists wanted to make sure it didn't happen again, so we increased monitoring in this area. People also learned to be prepared for eruptions and natural disasters like this, because a lot of people died from not having food, water, and stuff when they were stranded after the tsunami or the actual blast itself. Some fun facts: the eruption actually generated the loudest sound ever recorded in history. I think it was heard all the way in Australia, which is crazy. And the explosion fired ash 50 miles into the air. And today, in 1927, a new volcano grew where Krakatoa once stood, and it's named Anak Krakatoa, or the Child of Krakatoa. And then that's the works cited.